Hey guys, so I'm already in San Francisco and I totally realized that I never filmed an intro for this video. So this is going to be a pack with me video. I'm packing to go home for the holidays and I wanted to show you guys what my packing process is like. So literally on my way to work right now, but I hope you enjoy the video and let's get in. Okay, so here is my suitcase. Away actually sent me a few pieces of luggage. I've heard so many amazing things about their luggage and really always wanted some, and then they reached out to me and offered to send some, so thank you Away, and I was really excited about it. So I picked out two pieces from their aluminum collection, and this is the large size because Hunter and I are going to share a suitcase, just like one really big one, and then we'll take the carry-on on the plane, but we just thought it'd be easier. So I love that it comes with like a duster so that you can store it like when you're at home. So pretty, and this is the large size. So I will have a link to Away's website down below, and you guys, like with the style and everything that I have, but it's definitely an investment, but you guys know that Hunter and I travel a ton, so it's totally worth it for us to have nice luggage. I love that it has the wheels, so you can like literally spin it. It also has locks on the side, so we can like set a code and lock it just so that nothing gets taken out of the bag when like you're traveling internationally. I always get a little bit worried about that. So just click this button. Oh, and what's really cool about the carry-on is that it has a USB charger, like a USB charging outlet in the suitcase, which is literally amazing because whenever I travel, like I can never find working plugs in the airport and it's so annoying. So basically this is how my packing process works. I kind of have an idea of how many outfits I need. I'm going for about 10 days, so I'm on average going to bring about 10 outfits. So what I like to do is go to my Instagram saved section, and I like to go through, I always save outfits to get inspiration, and I'll kind of go through and like look at different ways that people are styling things. So for one instance, I have this photo of some snakeskin pants, which are really cute, and I have a pair of snakeskin pants and I haven't worn them in a while, so I feel like that would be really cute to wear. So then I'll kind of pull the snakeskin pants, and I know that that's gonna be like a focus of one of my outfits. So before I start actually packing the items into the bag, I like to style the outfits first. That way I can minimize the amount of items that I'm bringing and I know exactly what outfit to wear. To me, that just makes me feel better about all of my outfits when I'm on vacation or if I'm away, and I feel more prepared and I don't overpack. So I used to overpack a ton, and this has helped me stop doing that, but I just have to plan and style all of my outfits ahead of time. So snakeskin pants, I'm gonna put these kind of to the side, and then I will start with that item, and then I'll try on different tops, different shoes, and kind of figure out an outfit. I'll take a picture of it on my iPhone to make sure I remember the outfit, and once it's complete, I'll set it aside, and then at the end, when we have all the outfits, we will pack it up in the suitcase. A few other items I know I really want to create looks around. One is this oversized black coated shirt from Misguided. I'm gonna be showing this in an upcoming haul, but I really wanna create a look with this, so I'm gonna put that aside and see how I can style that. I could probably get one day look out of that, and then also like an evening or like dinner look. So that's a really versatile piece. I also really wanna bring this sweater and wear this. I haven't shot this on my Instagram yet, and it's just really cozy and cute, especially for San Francisco. So that's another one that I'm going to kind of focus on. And yeah, that's kind of just how I do it. So I pull like my hero piece for each outfit and I put it on, and then I style the outfit around it. Then I get all of my 10 outfits set up, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I pack it all in my suitcase. Okay, you guys, so it's kind of a mess in here, but I pretty much have all of my outfits sorted out for the most part. So I've gone through and photographed all of them on my iPhone, just like a rough photo, just so I know like what looks I have. So I've got one, oops, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, so on. So I sorted them all in piles. So that way I just know how many options, like how many for sure outfits that I have, looks that I'm happy with, and then you can always like tweak and adjust as you go. For me, it's a little bit different because I know I'm like photographing myself for Instagram when I'm there. So I want to make sure there's enough variety for you guys to look at on Instagram. But if you're not worried about that, then you could literally probably even narrow this down even further. So usually what I'll do is go through and find the bulkiest items that are like the heaviest or the biggest. So for me, it's my Doc Martens, which I actually don't know if I'm gonna bring for sure, but if I do bring them, I'm definitely wearing these on the plane to eliminate as much weight as possible. So I'll do that, and then I'm probably gonna bring, one of my looks was around this like fluffy jacket from Lulu's. So I think I might wear this on the plane as well, just to again eliminate fluff, and I already know I'm gonna need a coat on the plane, so that's perfect. So that like eliminates a lot of the volume. I think what I'm gonna do is just actually keep it outfit by outfit. That way it's just kind of, it's the same volume no matter really how I do it. Except a lot of people actually, yeah, let's just keep it outfit by outfit because when you travel, it's like you're usually operating out of a small space anyway, so you kind of want everything to be ready to go so you're not rummaging through your suitcase. I know there's different ways to kind of like pack, you can, you know, pack in packing cubes and stuff like that, but I think this will be okay this time around. So I'm going to just start putting these in here as condensed as possible. Basically all neutrals and like leather items. It's really what I'm into right now. I have a fashion trends video coming up for you guys, gathering up like all my favorite trends, and leather is definitely one of them. Okay, so the update is that Hunter packed his own suitcase, so now I have this one to myself. So I'll probably just fit everything in this and then not bring a carry-on and just check everything. I'm bringing one workout outfit, and I feel like that's just practical for this type of vacation. I'll probably be doing, it's not vacation, I'm sorry. It's practical for this type of trip because I'll probably just do like a few hikes, and since I'm staying at my parents' house, I can just wash the clothes over again, and I don't want to bring like a ton of workout stuff. Also only gonna bring one pair of pajamas. I feel like that is plenty, and I can just wash it after a couple of days, but I find that that's plenty. I'd rather just, you know, have minimal stuff for nighttime. So for bras and underwear and stuff, there's these nice little pouches right here in the away case, so I'm gonna put them in here. I'm going to wear one bra on the airplane, and then I'm just gonna bring a strapless bra as a backup. I start to put my shoes in here. So I have these River Island boots, bringing one pair of over-the-knee boots for like my shirt dress and my I have like a denim trench dress that I'm gonna wear. I'm also gonna bring my other pair of River Island black leather booties. These are staple, very easy. One pair of simple nude strappy heels. These are from Boohoo, and these will be kind of like my dinner heels or when I want like a pair of dainty heels. I also actually have to bring one pair of booties, extra pair of booties, because I'm filming a video with Boohoo. These are like my favorite booties from Boohoo. If you guys watched my fall shoe guide, I've had these since last year and I've worn the crap out of them. I need to get a new pair, but I'm filming a video with them, so I want to make sure that I have these on hand. I think I'm going to forego the Doc Martens, and I'm just gonna wear my sneakers on the plane because I want to have sneakers as an option. But that gives me a lot of variety because I have two pairs of booties, one high boot, sneakers, and a heel. I guess that leaves me with no like flat options, but I don't really wear like flats. I could bring my furry Gucci slides, but I kind of like just having, I would rather wear like a lower heeled booty on an everyday basis, so I think I'm gonna do that. All right, you guys, we're almost done. So I'm going to, oh, by the way, this is the best case for toiletries. It's from Amazon. It's literally like probably $5, so I'll link it below. They have a ton of colors, but it's like a drawstring, and you just put everything inside and it stands up, which is amazing. It's the best toiletry bag ever. So I will link that below, but I have all my toiletries here. And I also am going to plop in my curling iron. And then my hair extensions, which I'm gonna actually put in this like flat space here so that they stay kind of flat. I think I'm basically gonna wear this on the plane with my sneakers, and I think I might wear my long coat, so I'm actually gonna throw this in on this side. And then wear my other coat on the plane. Okay, well anyways, that just like frees me up for more things. So, and then I actually have, I was just realizing I need a Thanksgiving outfit, but I have some stuff coming from Boohoo, which you guys will see in a video before Thanksgiving. And I think I'm gonna do like a glitter blazer dress for Thanksgiving. If not, I can do like a leather mini skirt and like a cutout bodysuit or something like that. So I think I have options there. Okay, perfect. And then I have some things here. I'm gonna put these sneakers on, put the bra on. I have my coat. Oh, I need my handbag. What handbag do I want to wear? Okay, well, I'll probably bring my tried and true River Island bag that I've literally been wearing with everything. And then I will pack my tote for the airplane, and that's where I put all of my jewelry. I will put all of my electronics and everything that I want to carry on with me. So if you guys want a video on how I pack my like carry-on, it's not like my carry-on in the overhead bin, but my carry-on like my tote bag, let me know or give this video a thumbs up and I can show you guys that. It's just like a lot of how I pack stuff. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you again to Away for sending me the luggage, and I will have a link to away.com down below, and also the name of the suitcase that I have. I love the silver because I feel like it's very durable and it looks really like luxe and pretty, and it's been like the best luggage ever. I've never had nice luggage, so I'm so excited. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this gives you some tips on when you're packing for your next trip. I have so many videos for next week for you guys for like Black Friday and Cyber Monday, like tons of different fashion videos and so much content. So make sure to keep up with my channel and also maybe hit that bell so you get notifications when I upload. But I will see you guys next time. I need to close this up and head off to the airport. Thank you guys so much, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in a few days in the next vid. Bye!